Go ahead.
I have done, sir. In that wrapper class, I have a doubt with this program, sir. I didn't understand what is happening in this program.
First, let's see what is the definition of wrapper class, right?
Hmm.
So
Shall
you
I
open
open?
that text. Let me explain the text, then I will.
Hmm.
This is custom
This
wrapper.
is, yeah, sir. This is the program. Actually, I didn't get what is happening here. Shall I go to the top or here?
Is it the starting of wrapper class or?
No, no, no. This is not the starting of the wrapper class.
Let's
This
see.
is the starting of the wrapper class.
So let's see the definition, right? They're saying
Hmm.
the wrapper class in Java provides the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. Okay.
Hmm.
So you have seen the primitive data types, right? Like
Hmm. Hmm.
int, float, and all.
Boolean
Give me
character.
1 minute. So those primitives are being represented as a class, as an object.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So those are called wrapper class. Wrapper means there is an existing primitives. Okay. Those
Hmm.
primitives you are creating equivalent as an object. So
Okay.
so that those primitives you can create as a class, so that it will have all inheritance feature, all outs concept features to it. Okay. So
Yes.
those classes are called wrapper class. Now
Hmm.
saying since J2SE 5.0 auto-boxing and unboxing feature convert primitives into object and objects into primitives automatically. The automatic
Hmm.
conversion of primitive into an object is known as autoboxing
Auto
and writing.
boxing. Hmm.
This terminology you have to understand. So in the interview,
Hmm.
they may ask you what is autoboxing, what is unboxing,
Unboxing.
right? So when you are converting the primitive into object, right? So that they are saying autoboxing,
Yes.
primitive to object, and then from object to primitive is calling unboxing.
Unboxing.
Okay. So
Hmm.
now if you go to the program, you will understand how it is doing. Okay.
This one, sir. Custom wrapper class in
Custom
Java.
wrapper. So the wrappers which I told you, int, float, double, and all,
Hmm.
those are existing. Those are not custom. Those are provided by JDK itself. Okay,
Hmm.
those are inbuilt.
Hmm.
And custom means you can create your own. That
Okay.
is called custom. So the custom wrapper classes wrap the primitive data type. That is why it is known as wrapper classes. We can also create a class which wraps primitive data type. So we can create a custom wrapper class in a.
In Java.
Okay. So let's see how we are creating it.
This is this one, sir.
Yeah. So you one variable is declared as int, private int. Okay. Then you have
Hmm.
a constructor, and inside the constructor you are assigning the value to the object I.
This dot I that is a custom one, sir, or this is
This is not custom.
predefined one.
This has nothing to do with our custom right now. It
Okay.
is just a variable declaration as a private I, int I,
Hmm.
and then
Hmm.
that variable it is associating with the object, with the
Okay.
current object. This dot I means current object.
Hmm.
Whenever you create an
Hmm.
object, that current state holds that this.
Hmm.
Okay. So the till here there is nothing to do with the wrapper class. Now
Hmm.
next is it has a public method get value, and it is returning that I. Okay.
Hmm.
And also you have a set method, and then it is setting that value I. Then you have
Okay.
a toString method. Okay.
Hmm.
Come down, and then it is creating an object J, and just it is printing the value of J.
Okay.
Now what is happening is here wrapper means, see the variable I is a primitive. That
Hmm.
is there. Okay.
Yes.
But when this object Java point is created, A Java point is an object.
Hmm.
Okay. Now using the Java point object J, you are able to print. So if you execute this program, what is getting printed?
Sir, actually, if I am copy pasting the same method, same program like this only, it throwed me error, sir. When I am changing it to the top and getting it back, then only it is executing.
Yes, show me what is the problem.
No, you can see here the program is like this. No, sir. Testing the custom vapor class, he has declared the down the public class public static void. If I am writing the program same like that, I didn't get the output. I got errors, sir. But when I have changed from that one from bottom to the top, as you can see now in the notepad, I have changed it from bottom to the top. Then only I got the output as 10.
So because see the textbook, it is just an explanation.
Hmm.
They are not
But
telling that you put this on the front or this after like that. So
okay.
this is a main class.
Mm-hmm.
Your main class is this testing class,
Yes, sir.
and Java point is a supporting class because you are
Mm-hmm.
using that supporting class inside your
Mm-hmm.
test Java point class.
So we have to write like this only, sir. So what you have
What
written there,
no,
I didn't get actually. That's why I'm asking you.
no problem. Because these all come with practice, so no problem. These are the small things.
Mm-hmm.
So your error will tell you what is right, what is wrong.
Yes, sir. So that I got it.
So now you
And
try to understand what is wrapper here, right? So if you
mm,
execute this program,
mm.
execute it.
Shall I execute it, sir? Java Java test point. This is the error, sir. Actually,
No, see what is the file name? What is the file name?
Java test T
Java test
point.
point.
Sorry. I missed T, sir. Sorry.
See any error. See Java is
Mm-hmm.
very robust. Nothing will happen just like a magic. Actually, everything has a very genuine reason.
Hmm. Now I got it, sir. 10. Yesterday when I did like that, the way I have they have written here, the same way I have wrote means I didn't get the
Yeah,
output.
I mean, they are not
Uh,
telling you like this only you write it because that is
hmm.
just explanation for them. In order
Oh,
to explain, they have to explain that class first only. Then only main class comes.
okay. Fine, sir. So the next one is
No, but here, few things you have to understand, right?
hmm, hmm,
You are printing the object of T point.
hmm,
Go to the main class, main method, the top, right?
hmm,
So if you see Java T point J, you
hmm.
have created an object and you are printing that object J,
Yes.
right? You could have print just I.
Hmm.
You would write one more line, system.out.println this dot I. Copy that same thing. Line number 5 you copy and instead of J, say this dot I.
Hmm. Shall I run it, sir?
Yeah,
Error it is.
go back.
No static variable. Hmm. Oh, sorry.
That is not this dot I, say J dot I. J is your object actually.
Hmm.
Instead of this, say J dot I. You did not save it. Oh, you first do Java C.
Java.
You did not save it.
I have done it, sir. Control S. With Control S, I have saved it.
No, you have to compile that Java T point.
Directly, if I do like that,
Hold
it will not come, sir.
Hold on. Yeah. Last first Java T point. Did you compile Java T point first time when you wrote it?
As sir, actually, I am not doing two times, sir. Like compiling and this one. If I am directly writing this statement, both the compilation and the run command
It is
are
not
working.
saved yet. You see, it is still showing this THIS.
This is the error, sir. Yeah, I have saved it, sir. If you want, I can show you again.
And
Save.
what is the folder? Is it? Are you in the right folder?
Yes, sir. I have created myself an Aparna as a folder, and there only I am running all the programs.
It is not taking. Can you do Java C test point.java instead of Java?
It is Java test dot
Instead
T
of Java,
point.
say Java C. No, it is. It has taken. It has taken. In the next, I see. No, it is there. J.I. It is taking the latest one only. I was seeing the old one.
No, sir. Here I have. It
Correct.
is.
So what is the error it is telling?
I has private access in Java T point.
Java T point. So that is the reason. So it is a privately you have declared. That is why you cannot use it. So if you want to use it, then you have to declare it as actually you cannot use at j.i. Rather, you have to say j dot get value. Use the method get value.
This is right, sir.
Yeah.
I have to declare in brackets, sir.
Yes,
It's
you have to declare in bracket, and V should be capital.
Great value. I shall I remove it, sir? No.
Change V to capital.
What, sir? V to capital. Okay. Fine, sir. Got 10 as output.
So the first one you are directly printing the object. And how it comes is go back. See, when you directly print the object, it prints the toString method.
Okay.
You have this toString method, right? So that is what is printed. In line number 24.
Return integer to string 9.
Yeah, so that method calls and that is printed when you use when you print a object directly. Okay. Now, right now you see that you are accessing it through your newly created Java class Java T point. You are not directly using the primitives. You have wrapped that primitive into a class. Using that class only, now you are fetching the value and setting the value.
Yes.
That is what is called primitive. Wrapper class.
Yes, sir.
You can move on now to the next topic.
So
this clear on your query, right? Wrapper.
Yes, sir. Yes. And this is the next program that is the difference between the string buffer and string builder classes you asked me to learn, no, sir. Here it is. Here I can see
String.
Yes, sir. Yeah, string buffer and string builder.
No, no.
Hmm.
String buffer, string builder.
Yes, sir. I have studied on both, sir. I have
Okay, sure.
written here between string buffer, and next between string buffer and string builder. This is what I have prepared. So here I have gone with one program, sir. The program, it is showing the performance, means how string buffer is more fast, or string builder is more fast. But when I am running this program, it is showing nothing changes, sir. It is showing
For
same
small
for both.
data, you won't be a small transaction, you won't see the difference.
But here, when they are writing this program, they are having some difference, sir. It is like showing some 16 ms speed and 0 ms speed, but I didn't get anything like that, sir.
Let's see that. Go there to the program.
Hmm.
Go to back to the program.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'll show you here also what is my problem. Then I'll go there, sir. 1 second. This is the program, sir. Actually, the output, it is showing like 16 ms and 0 ms. But I didn't get that output, sir. Hmm.
So have the start time and so instead of 10,000, make it 100,000. Add another two zeros in both. Add more two zeros. Yeah. Here also add two more zeros.
Hmm. Shall I go for testing, sir?
Yeah.
It is showing now, sir, but without changing that, I didn't get the output properly.
In both
Hmm.
cases, it was taking less than maybe 1 millisecond. So it was zero or something. Or
Hmm.
it was like when data transaction is less, that time is negligible. So it will show similar. Like
Okay.
yeah, so it is almost double, right?
Hmm.
Just think when something takes 1 day of time, the other one will take 2 days.
Hmm.
Something take 1 year time, another will take 2 years time.
Hmm.
To understand how much difference it is.
Sir, when
More than double.
string buffer is not having that much performance, but still, why we have to use that string buffer, sir?
So string buffer is used when we want to do synchronized call.
Hmm.
Thread synchronized call means it will not run parallelly. It will run.
Okay.
It will process once at a time, one thread at a time. First thread will complete, then second thread will. But string builder will run parallelly. So multiple threads can access it together.
So when multiple threads we are accessing, the performance will be more, sir.
Yes.
Uh,
So like it is like you have a kitchen. If one person is serving food, right, to
hmm.
10 people, how much time it will take versus two-person it serves. The time will
Hmm.
be half, right?
Okay.
So string buffer builder allows to serve multiple times parallelly.
But sorry, am I wrong with this one, sir? Uh, I have written here, maybe wrong. This memory, more memory equals. 1 second, sir.
It is string and string buffer. This is
Hmm, hmm, hmm. That's what, sir. Here it is saying it means two threads can call the methods of string buffer simultaneously. Does it means that, as you said, two we can use at a time, right, sir?
any number of, not only two,
Uh-huh.
any number of threads can access. So let's say you are serving it right now. If it is a string build buffer, only
Hmm.
one thread will use it at a time.
Okay.
Okay, means two threads cannot call. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, in case of string builder, not two, you can assign 100 threads.
Hmm.
So let's
So,
say something is taking 100 minutes for one
okay.
thread.
Hmm.
If you assign 100 threads, then it will take only 1 minute. Right?
So
If
what is
you
this thread it will do, sir? I didn't study threads still.
I will take you through. You
Hmm.
can think like this. Thread is like, as I mentioned, like say you have ATM box.
Hmm.
Now in the room, let's
Hmm.
say there are two ATMs.
Okay.
There is a gate. Okay?
Hmm.
Now, if there are two ATMs, then you allow two people at a time to enter
Yes.
in the room.
Hmm.
But if there is only one ATM, you allow only one person to enter.
Enter. Ah.
So that your gatekeeper is allowing that only one person enter at a time.
Okay.
Okay, so that is called synchronization.
Mm-hmm.
Synchronized means you will allow one person finish his ATM work, go back, then only next person can come.
Okay.
But if you allow two people to go inside, means inside you may have two ATMs
Okay.
or more than one ATM, so that more people can do the transactions together.
Hmm.
So in case of string buffer, the operation is made in such a way that inside it is only one ATM in case of string buffer,
Hmm.
right? But in case of string builder, it is like it has multiple ATMs inside, so that multiple people can go and do the operation.
Okay, sir. Right, sir. And the next one is contact test one. Sir, what is this current time millis, sir? I didn't get that word.
And that particular line of code is executing
Hmm.
at that time. What is the date and current time? So let's say right now it is 2024 13th March, okay,
Hmm.
9:41 and
Hmm.
certain milliseconds.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
So till date, like in the Gregorian calendar, that date time together it converts a number and it prints. Do one thing, print that start time, the system.out.
I didn't get, sir. Where? This one, sir?
Yeah, after line number 17,
Hmm.
print that start time. Put a system.out.
Hmm.
You need to configure your Eclipse.
Sure, sir. I will do it, sir. Yesterday, you told me to do it, but because of these programs, I didn't get to do that, sir. I'll do today anyhow.
Yeah, take your time. See, in Eclipse there are hundreds of things you have to learn.
Hmm. Sir.
System.out, start time.
Oh, sorry.
First you say within quotation mark type start time, and then you say plus start time,
Hmm.
double quote.
Start time. Shall I close the course, sir?
Yes, you can
What
give
you
one
are?
space or colon
Hmm.
that time, and then say plus start time.
Class start time, right, sir?
Yes, plus.
Hmm.
How do you print a variable? You need to learn. You have written it, no? 22.
Hmm. 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 Yes, sir. plus start time. Shall I write the same, sir? Like how I have declared here, the same shall I write
No,
here,
no,
sir? It's fine now.
remove start time, not class, plus,
Plus, right? That's what I'm getting
not
confused, sir.
semicolon. Remove the semicolon.
Huh.
Yes, say plus.
Plus start time. Shall I close the bracket now, sir?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah, run it now.
Contact test. Error.
Read what is the error.
This is plus the start time. Variables start time, location, class, contact, test one. No, sir, I'm not able to find out.
It is telling there is a problem in start time, that variable.
Hmm.
It is showing in a mark.
Yes.
It is telling which symbol has a problem.
Hmm.
You have to inspect what is the problem in that. It could be spelling mistake mostly. What is your variable name? Go to the program and check.
T is equal to Java.
Where you have defined start time?
Here.
Where you have defined?
Defined.
You have defined it in line number 17. I think you have copied and pasted. You write this program.
I wrote it, sir, but my problem is something like what is there. I am able to write it, but I'm not able to analyze the program, sir. That's why I have I kept this program to ask you. I'm not able to analyze at least a single point here. What I am doing in this program. Just simply I have seen there. I wrote it here, but I'm not getting what I am doing here. And even I want to tell you one more problem is also that whatever the program I am seeing in that Java tutorial point, only up to that program I'm able to analyze, sir. But if there is a small change in that program also, I'm not able to find it out logically what is happening. Only by seeing that program I'm able to understand that this is happening. Even if I change some small variable or if I am changing some value, I'm not able to analyze the error only, sir. I don't know what is my
Its
problem.
terminology. You have to understand its terminology.
I
Now,
am losing my confidence there, sir. I don't know how can I overcome that one.
yeah, so that is what you have to do it step by step, right? So, for
Hmm.
example, now it
Hmm.
is showing clearly there is a problem with start time.
Huh.
Okay. Now I am
Hmm.
asking you where you are defining start time.
Yes, yes.
Where you are
After
defining.
you told, I got it that long start time is equal to. Here, I have given that word like start time.
Okay, what is the spelling?
START time.
Have you written correctly?
Okay. Capital T I have not written. Now, right, sir?
Yes. So your error
Uh,
itself will tell you. So you have to have patience to read the error, and based
hmm.
on the error, you have to inspect what is going wrong.
Got it, sir. 23, 223 ms and 3 ms. Mhm.
Start, not that. Start time is in your first one.
Yeah,
That,
this
that is
one.
not yours. No, no.
This one, sir. 7103034628114.
That number is a current time.
Hmm.
So that continues. That and the last digit 14 is there. No, that will
Hmm.
keep on changing lifelong.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
this is the current time from in the Gregorian calendar from 2020. So like 2024 years, right?
Hmm.
2024 years. If you multiply by 365 into 24 into 60 into 60, then these milliseconds will come.
Okay.
So this will come because see that is the difference. People who are practicing program for months and years, okay,
Hmm.
then they get a job.
Hmm.
After that also they struggle, but you are starting from the fresh now,
Yeah.
so it will take time. If you think that you will be able to do it in 3 months or 4 months, then forget about it. It will take minimum 6 months of time.
Hmm.
That is why I asked, don't skip any program.
Yeah,
If
sir.
you do
I
each and
didn't
every
skip.
program, yeah. Now I'm not telling that you are skipping.
Hmm.
I'm
Hmm.
saying why I have told you, right? So it is
Okay.
important that you execute and done each and every program and you clarify like this.
Hmm.
You clarified it, you tried to do it, that's why you learned it now. Next
Okay.
time, if same problem comes, you can solve it.
Yes, sir.
So like that, you have to practice and you have to have that patience. You keep on doing day by day by day, it will come.
Hmm. That's what, sir. I want to tell you that one only. When I'm seeing this program, if something like this one is there, say, sir,
Hmm.
like if I'm seeing this program perfectly, I can understand what is happening with that program.
Hmm.
If you ask me to do a small change in this one, I'm losing my confidence, sir. I am getting confused where to change something, even though I know it is a syntax. It is there. Even I know the syntax also. If something new you are telling means, I'm losing my confidence. I don't know how to overcome it.
It will come through practice only. So
Okay.
it will come through practice only. Keep on doing like this every day. If you are able to understand and do for 4 programs,
Hmm.
see what you learned instead of reading 10
Hmm.
chapters. If you read one chapter and memorize it, learn
Hmm.
all A to Z, analyze in different ways, that will give
Hmm.
you more knowledge. But instead of that, if you write 20 programs in a day, and
Hmm.
then you will lose confidence, nothing will store in your memory.
Yeah, that's the thing, sir. And yesterday, that's why I wrote only some 3 or 4 programs
That is
only.
enough. For
Hmm.
three program is enough in a day for you at this
Hmm.
moment.
Hmm.
When level will change, that time you will write more. But as of now, even if three you are getting frustrated, if it is a bigger program, do only one or two,
Hmm.
because within one program itself you have hundreds of things to learn.
Hmm. Even I don't know, sir, here what this statement is doing,
Which
sir.
one?
I didn't understand this one also.
I explained
SB.to
it. That I
string,
explained you
huh?
already. Actually,
Yeah,
tell you
it
again.
is returning the value.
Yes,
Hmm,
SB dot toString means it is
hmm,
that SB is a string.
huh,
There is a wrapper class.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, and it toString method is there inside that class. You
Hmm,
just wrote the wrapper class. No, go to your
hmm.
wrapper class.
You mean to the
That
theory,
Java
sir?
3 point wrapper class.
Hmm, hmm, this one.
There you have a toString method.
Here. Huh, yes, sir.
Similarly, inside the string class also there is a toString method.
Hmm,
So that method is returning that value.
okay.
When you print any object, right? What it does is
Hmm,
it basically calls the toString method and then
hmm,
writes it. So
okay.
SB is a string buffer. What is the object type?
Hmm,
String buffer. So when you
hmm,
say SB.toString, it is converting the string buffer object into string object,
hmm.
and then it is printing. Okay, so again, I mean, these all will gradually will learn, and step by step, as much as possible, try to grab it.
Sure. And this one, yesterday, as you told me to find the difference from my end only between this string, write a program with enum and string, no, sir. I didn't write the program, but what I understood is if something like enum season, we are
বলার মতো করে বলতে হবে, তুমি যদি কাই 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 করে বলো, দাঁড়িয়ে থাকলেও তখন দেখবে অটোমেটিক্যালি। Yeah, right.
Sir, the difference I found out is in Enam we are declaring like this Enam season, winter, spring, summer, fall. But what I observed from studying the string is if for string we have to declare, if there are 4 seasons we have to declare for 4, and if it is 10 we have to declare the 10 things. But in Enum directly we are writing in a single line like this one, and if we want to add one more also we can add here directly. So this is the difference I found out, sir. Am I correct or not? I don't know.
It is a difference, but it is not really the exact difference. See, first of all,
Hmm.
it is not comparable with string,
Okay.
you know, because this
Hmm.
resembles like a array, like an array.
Okay.
You know what is the
Hmm.
difference between string and array?
I have to study, sir. Still, I
Write
didn't
write it
move.
down. No problem.
Hmm.
I mean, see, if you tell me that you don't know, then only I will explain it. Okay, so
Hmm.
that is what is the purpose of this discussion, right? So,
Yes,
so
sir.
before knowing string and enum difference, you have to know difference between string and array. Just understand this. Write a program on a string and array. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Write program on an array.
Hmm.
Right? Take that task. Write a program on an array. Before the difference, write a program on array. String you understand, right? You have written the
Yeah.
program with string. So now
Hmm.
write a program with string array. Write
Program.
program
Hmm.
of array with type string, comma int, comma float, comma double. So array could be of any data types,
With the type int
of
gamma
different data
array.
types. Yeah,
Hmm.
array with different data types. You can just say different data types and afterward.
Okay.
These are the core of program. So you are saying that you are losing the confidence because
Hmm.
core is not with you right now.
Hmm.
If I tell someone to write a sentence who does not know ABCD, will he be
Hmm.
able to write sentence? No.
No.
If someone knows ABCD but he does not know words, can he
Hmm.
write sentence?
Hmm. No, sir.
So first ABCD, then learn words, then learn sentence. Even if
Hmm.
somebody knows little bit of sentence, if I
Hmm.
ask him write a direct sentence and indirect sentence, he cannot, because
Yes.
grammar will come after that.
Hmm.
After somebody knows to write basic sentence, then he can learn what is grammar.
Hmm.
So these all are a step by step process. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Hmm. Yes, sir. So this is the enum I have written, sir. But I have to study, as you said, what is the difference between the string and array. Then only I can find out what is
No issues. We
exactly
will come
happening.
back to this after learning. And,
Hmm. Sir, here actually, when I am studying about enum, they are saying that the enum class can be declared outside of the class also. Yeah. But
that means
when
it
I
will be enum itself is a class, na?
hmm.
So it will be a global variable in that case.
Sir, when I am declaring it, I don't know what is the mistake I am doing, sir. Here, when I am declaring inside this class, I am getting the output, sir. But sorry, sir. When I am declaring it outside the class, I didn't get the output for this one.
Was there a compilation error?
Yeah,
So you have to understand what is the comparison.
yeah, sir. Once I'll show you, sir. This is what I am getting, sir.
I can't find
Main
main
string
method
method in
class
class day.
day. Okay, let's go there and let's see what is that method. What is that class day? So day is here. Okay,
Hmm.
and have, so there could be some problem with the syntax. Okay, so
Hmm.
what you do is search a program. They search
Hmm.
a program where enum is declared outside the class.
Okay.
It's a syntactical problem. How you have to define, how you have to call. So that is
Hmm.
declared outside the class. So when you define something outside the class means it is available across the class.
Hmm. But the same program here, 1 second, sir. I'll show you. This it is there, sir. But even I have done this program also. I didn't get the output for
Let's see.
this one.
Let's see this. It could be a version problem or something also
Uh-huh.
that it does not support now or something like that. So that you should be able to identify, and these are important. You have to know. In the interview, they may ask that
Hmm.
previously we could do it, but now it is not. Why? So you have to answer accordingly.
Okay.
Program is there already.
But that is the different program, sir.
So
I say
change the name.
I'll change here then.
Yeah, change the name.
6.
Name you should give always a proper name. Like you say you
Hmm.
can say enum outside class.
Shall I write now,
Yeah,
sir, or shall I
like
continue?
like that. Enum outside class. So that next time you can identify easily.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to move on. Um,
Shall
Write
I
it.
stop here,
Then
sir?
we
Sure. Sure. Okay, sir.